Hey guys, as we finish this project up, I'd like to give you some comments about your assemblies, about mates, exploded views, and then an animation of the exploded view. Okay, so if you want to definitely need to assemble it, and like you do an exploded view, you can, if you have the option to do the animation, it's kind of fun to see that in your portfolio. Okay, so first of all, when you're setting your mates up, don't forget that you're going to click on surfaces, and then choose the surface. For example, here to make sure if this is going to be concentric, make it concentric so that it's in that area. Okay. Next thing might be like, let me try this one here, and this one, make these concentric. Okay, I click on this face and on this face and make these coincident. Okay. Okay, so that's set up. And now this little my part here works as a piston and crankshaft and connecting rod. Okay. So what if I want to have this be an exploded view? So now I have everything connected, it's moving the way I want it to, and I want to show an exploded view, which I'd like you to do. To do that, you create a set of steps to take it apart. Okay, so think about that. How would it come apart if you're going to take it apart? So click on exploded view first here, and then one thing at a time. So if I was going to take this apart, I would take out pins first. I'm going to click on this first on this pin and pull it out to here. And when you get it to where you want it to be, just click on done. That's the first step. Okay, explode step 1. Next is this pin. I'll take this out to here. This explode step 2. That's done. And these are temporary movements. You're not doing this. This isn't permanent. This is a temporary movement. Okay. I would bring this up. Probably click on this one and bring it up out of the way. Yep. A little higher. There it is. And that's done. I'm going to bring this one out this way to there. And that's done, and then pull out the piston like this. Whoops, wrong one. I'm going to right click and delete that and click on this one instead and pull it out and see if that works. Okay, that's done. Alright, when that's finished, now I want to I want to save this. If I click on exploded view again, it goes back to where it was, so don't worry about that. But then you've saved the exploded view. So if you go to Configuration Manager here, and notice that if you click on this arrow, there's exploded view 1. Right click on this and say Animate Explode. And now it shows the animation of what you've done. Okay, here's your animation controller here. You can make it be in a playback loop, and click on play and try things with this. And they'll just keep going through and doing the motions. You can click on reciprocate so that it goes reverse now, back and forth. You can change the speed here by half or increase it by 2, things like that. Okay. When you're ready, for example, however you want to do it, I'm going to click on normal here and I'm going to record this now. Okay. So let me bring it back to here and I'm going to click on record. And so a few things about the recording. Save it in a safe spot in your folder you have with the assembly. Okay, don't use an AVI file. Okay, use an MP4 video file. That's what he would use for YouTube videos and just generally for your computer. Okay, that'll run on your PC at least. So use MP4. Give it a name if you need to, and then save it, and it'll go through. And run the animation, and it'll save it. Okay. When you're finished, you can close that. Bring this back over. Let me see if I can find it here. I'm just going to go to Quick Access, and I can just. Okay, so I found my here it is. I saved it right there. So this is the little video now of this animation. It's a little not super exciting, but that's the idea. Okay, you can kind of play with that and use that. Okay, that's about it. Hopefully this helps. You can go back to your regular modeling here, and again, this is the configuration manager that has that exploded view in it. All right. Okay, hopefully this helps. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.